Hello everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a text histogram in Excel without using any charts. We'll visualize budget versus spending using simple text characters. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the REPT function, which stands for repeat. This function allows us to repeat a given character or string a specified number of times. The syntax is quite simple. You start by entering the text you want to repeat as the first parameter, and in the second parameter, you specify the number of times you want that text to be repeated. As you can see, the REPT function is versatile and can be used to create simple visual representations using text characters. Now that we understand the REPT function, let's enter our sample data. In column A, I'll list the months. In column B, I'll enter the budgeted amounts, and in column C, I'll input the actual amount spent. Next, we'll calculate the percentage difference between the budget and the amount spent in column D. To start, we'll enter our formula in cell D2. This formula calculates the percentage of the amount spent relative to the budget. We'll first determine how much we are over or under budget in percentage terms by using the formula that compares the difference between the budget and the spent amount. To ensure clarity and improve readability, we'll use the round function to eliminate any decimal points in our final result. Once we have the formula set up, I'll simply drag the fill handle down to apply it to all the rows in column D, giving us a complete overview of the percentage differences for each month. Now, let's set up our columns for the histograms. In column H, I'll write the heading under budget. In column I, I'll write month, and in column J, I'll write over budget. In column H, I'll use the formula shown on the screen to create a histogram for under budget months, applying it from H2 to H13 for all months. This formula uses the if function to check if the value of percentage is positive, indicating that the spending is under budget. If the condition is met, the formula executes the REPT function, which repeats the asterisk character as many times as the value in percentage cell. This visually represents how much under budget you are. If the condition is not met, the formula returns an empty string, which means nothing will be displayed. This formula creates a text histogram for under budget months, using asterisks to show spending below the budget. Next, I'll select the range H2 to H13 and align it to the right for better visibility. In column I, I'll enter the month names from January to December and center align them for better presentation. In column J, I'll use a similar formula. This formula checks if the percentage value is negative, indicating that spending has exceeded the budget. After entering the formula, I'll drag it down to J13. However, we encounter a value error in cells where the condition is met. To resolve this, I'll modify the formula to use the ABS function, which returns the absolute value of a number, effectively removing any negative sign. Now, we have our two histograms set up, one displaying positive values for under-budget months, and the other showing negative values for over-budget months. Next, to enhance the visual appeal, I'll color the under-budget column green and the over-budget column red. Now, I'll replace the asterisk in the formulas with the character L for a more refined bar chart look. This gives us a cleaner bar representation. Lastly, I'll replace the L with the black square to give it a solid appearance. We've successfully created a text histogram without inserting any charts in Excel. This method not only helps us visualize our budget versus spending, but also allows for easy customization. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.